Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to stop the Mini Formatting Toolbar from appearing in Excel and disable the floating Mini Toolbar pop-up. This instantly blocks that annoying formatting box from jumping up right next to your cursor every single time you right-click or select a text layer, keeping your workspace view completely clear. First, open Microsoft Excel. Look at the top left corner of the interface menu row and click on File. Look at the absolute bottom of the left-hand navigation sidebar panel and click directly on Options. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the General tab located at the very top of the sidebar list. Move your eyes to the very top section layout, which is explicitly headed User Interface Options. Locate the specific setting checkbox explicitly labeled Show Mini Toolbar on selection. Click the tracking box to uncheck it and completely freeze the real-time floating pop-up rendering engine. Drop down to the bottom of the main options window and click the OK button to lock your new layout preferences into the system core. And that's it. Your clean, distraction-free data editing workspace configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.